Question number 56. Let's read the question. The number of significant figures in 50 pence is? Students, for this question we need to know that counting number of objects has infinite number of significant figures. That means for this question the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 57. Let's read the question. The equivalent mass of KCl.MgCl2.6H2O is, where the molar mass of the salt is m. Student, the equivalent mass of a salt is equals to molar mass upon n factor. And for this salt, the n factor is 3. That means the equivalent mass will be equals to m upon 3. So the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 58. The ratio of the radius of second orbit of helium ion to the first orbit of beryllium 3 plus ion is? Student, for this question, first of all, we need to know the formula to calculate radius of Bohr's orbit. Radius of nth orbit is equals to 0.53 n square upon z, where n is the number of orbit and z is the atomic number. So in this question we are given with the radius of second orbit of helium ion to the first orbit of beryllium 3 plus ion. So radius of second orbit of helium ion upon radius of first orbit of beryllium 3 plus ion is equals to 2 square upon 2 upon 1 square upon 4, which is equals to 8 upon 1. That means the correct ratio is 8:1, or the correct option is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 59. Let's read the question. 50 ml of 1 normal NaOH is mixed with 150 ml of 2 normal calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH whole twice. The molarity of OH ion in the resulting solution will be? Students, for this question the formula used is N1V1 plus N2V2, which is equals to N3V3. N3V3 represents the solution of NaOH and calcium hydroxide, and N1V1 represents for NaOH and N2V2 represents for calcium hydroxide. Here N1 is 1 and V1 is 50. Here N2 is 2 and the volume is 150 is equals to N3, which we have to calculate, and the volume will be 150 plus 50, which is equals to 200. So N3 is equals to 1.7 normal, which is equals to 1.75 molar. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 60. Let's read the question. Which of the following possesses the highest mass? Starting with number 1, it is 22.4 liter of H2 at STP. Student, 22.4 liter of a gas at STP represents 1 mole, and the mass of 1 mole of H2 is 2 gram. Moving to next, 5 gram of H2. Student, number 2 is clearly mentioned, it is 5 gram of H2. Moving to next option, which is option number 3, 0.3 mole of H2. Students, 0.3 mole of H2. Students, the mass of 0.3 mole of H2 is 0.3 multiplied by 2 gram, which is equals to 0.6 gram of H2. Moving to the last option, 1.204 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of H2. Students, this much molecule represents 2 moles of H2, which is equals to 4 gram of H2. That means the highest mass is possessed by 5 grams of H2, or we can say that the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, students.